experience new life. A world full of color stretches the sky if we wake up our hearts and see it all. Experience a sight that's never been seen. Discover a feeling unlike anything. Awake in the moment, here and now. Discover it all. And see it all. Discover the new, open our eyes. This is where our dreams come alive. I see the light, I hear the call. Discover it all. Discover.
Happy birthday! Happy legality! I wish you all the best. And kahit na lagi tayo magkaaway, sana alam mo na lagi ako nandito para sa'yo. I hope you don't lose your passion and continue shining brighter love.
I wish you have a great time on this special occasion and day of yours. And I wish you courage to grab all the opportunities that will bring. Wishing you a day filled with joy and all the things that make your heart sweat. I'm so very thankful that I met you. Happy birthday, Lord girls.
Discover it all.
Proud lang kay Camille. Si Camille yung tipo ng kaibigan na hindi kanya tatanungin. If ever man may problema ka, hindi kanya tatanungin kung may problema ka. Pero lagi niyang ipaparamdam na lagi siyang nandiyan para sa'yo. And yun, sobrang blessed lang ako na naging pinsan din kita since magkapatid yung brothers niya. And yun, lagi mo lang tatandaan na lagi ako nandito para sa'yo. Lagi ako nandito para makinig sa mga problema mo. Lagi ako nakasuporta para sa'yo.
Experience the wonder, experience new life. A world full of color stretches the sky if we wake up our hearts and see it all. Experience a sight that's never been seen. Discover a feeling unlike anything. Awake in the moment, here and now. Discover it all. And see it all. Discover the new, open our eyes. This is where our dreams come alive. I see the light, I hear the call. Discover it all. Discover. Discover it all. Breathless in awe, we stand amazed in all of this goodness that has been made. Or we lift up our hands and see it all. Just stop and listen and feel again. It's time to breathe, it's time to begin. Oh, and this is the moment, here and now.
You're my only little sister, and here we are, 18 entire years into your life. I have absolutely loved watching you grow up, seeing the faces you went through, how different you were than me in many ways, but also similar in several as well. We might not have the complete family we dreamed of, but you know that you have my back always, no matter what. I love you from the bottom of my heart. I will support and guide you all the way kahit na sa pinakamahirap at pinakamasakit ng pagdadaanan mo. Dito lang si ate palagi sa tabi mo. And I hope and pray for your success in the near future and may all your dreams come true. Happy birthday. I love you.
Strong, kind, hopeful at caring. Alam mo, as you grow older, you will face many changes, challenges in your life. Pero anak, gusto ko lang malaman mo na you really love unconditionally. Kung kailangan mo ng kausap niya, tawagan mo lang si mama. Wala akong pakialam kung may sarili akong problema. Kung galit man ako sa'yo, handa akong makinig sa problema at sasagot mo, seryoso mo o hindi. It's your big day. As a young lady now, there's a simple 18th divorce party. I love you so much, anak. Happy birthday.
Ngayong dalaga ka na. Ano yan? 18? Ano yan? Dalaga ka na baka. Kailan pa lang? Kailan pa lang? Naglalaro ka lang saksaka. Ngayon. Pwede, ito na. Ito na siya. Pwede na siyang paligaw o ano. Salamat naman gusto ko, pagkatapos ko na ng pag-aaral. Yan ang pangarap sa buhay. Na makatapos ka sa pag-aaral. Sana lahat ng pangarap mo, nakantang mo. Sunod pang happy birthday.
Thank you so much. Sabihin mo,
Discover it all. Discover. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Discover it all.